Good morning, student. Today we are going to discuss about electronic configuration, and there are some examples how to fill the orbitals by the using of n plus L rule, Hund's rule and Pauli exclusion principle. So we have to apply all three rules to explain the electronic configuration. Let's see, there are some examples you have to write. Sodium. For this you have to learn the all atomic number. So how to write the electronic configuration? Electronic configuration of different atom like sodium. So how to write? We already discussed about the energy order. So you have to learn the energy order. 1s, 2s, 2p, 3s and 3p, 4d, so on. How many electrons are possible there? 2, 2 and 2, 4. Then maximum capacity 6 and 1 electron is entering s orbital. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s1. Total 2, 2, 4, 6, 10 and 1, 11. So you have to fill the atomic number, because atomic number is the fingerprint of the atom. Atomic number is different for different atom, and electrons are equal to atomic number. So you have to fill. If you have to write the 13 aluminium, you can take any example. Okay, in periodic table we have to learn the all 118 elements, but there we can take any example 11, 10, 12, 13 and check with list. So you have to solve these examples like this: 1s2, 2s2, 2p6 and maximum capacity 3s2, 2, 2, 4 and 6, 12, 1 electrons are also here. Then 1s, 2s, 2p, 3s, aluminium, sodium, then magnesium, then it's our lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, sodium, then magnesium, silicon, okay, boron, aluminium, phosphorus, sulfur, like this. Boron, aluminium. Here is aluminium. So 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2 and now 3p1. 3p1 like that. Okay. So you have to solve the different example. Now some exception here which are stable. There are some exception. First, D5, D10, F7, F14, S2. These are exception. D5 is called half filled orbital. Half filled. Okay. And these are called full filled orbitals. Again, F7 half filled orbital, F14 full filled orbital, S2 full filled orbital. Half filled and full filled orbitals are more stable, more extra stable. We can take an example to explain this term. Example is atomic number 24. What is the name of this element? Chromium. So how to write chromium? 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6. How many electrons are there? 4, 6, 10, 2, 12, 18. What is the atomic number here? 18, and 18 represent the organ. So you can write like this, organ. Now electrons are filled 3d and 4s. Let's see. 4 plus 0 and 3 plus 2. 3 plus 2 equal to 5. N plus L rule. And 4 plus 0 equal to 4. Here electrons are jump. Electrons filled. Which orbitals? 2. Okay. Maximum capacity is 2. And how many electrons are present here? D4. But it is wrong configuration. So what is the right configuration? 3d4 is not stable, not exist. So you have to write. Correct answer is organ. 3d5, one electron jump from here. 4s1. This is correct answer, and this is not correct. 3d5 more stable than 3d4. This is the extra stability. This is the importance of this. So how to write the next example? Like 29. Atomic number is 29. Next example. Next example is 29. How to write? How to calculate? Atomic number is 29. Organ, you can write this. Okay, 18 electrons we filled, already filled in orbitals. So how many electrons are left here? 11 electrons we have to fill. So how to fill? 3d, then 4s. First, which orbital is filled first? 4s, because 4 plus 0 have low value and 3 plus 2 have 5, which is higher value. So electron goes 4s2. 9 electrons are left. This is also wrong. So how to write this configuration? Let's say organ. The energy difference between 3d and 4s is not much. So electron jump there and to become stable. 3d 10, 4s1. 9 to 11 and 10 plus 1 is also 11, but it is right configuration. So now you solve like this. How to fill electron in orbital? There are different atomic numbers, so you have to solve like this and fill the electrons in increasing order by using of N plus L rule, Hund's rule, and Pauli's exclusion principle. All rules are used for filling of the electrons. Clear all of you? Now I make a table. You can use this table for filling of the electron. Let's see. This table prepared by me. First 3, 4, 4, 3, 3, 2, 2. Then 4, 5, 5. Next F, D, S, T. 5, 4, 5, 6, 6. Now 6, 7 and 7 like this. Okay. This is the table how to fill the electrons in salt mix 2s, 2p. You can use this table which is comfort to you. You can use like this. Here 3d, 4s, 4p. We have to use the n plus l rule here. Now after 18, it means 18, after 18, 19 to 35, or here 36 is flipped on, 37 to 53. Now 54 is, if we fill all electrons, then the 54 is, you can write here 36, 19 to 36, and 19 to 37 to 54, then 55 to 86, and 87 to so on. The atomic number is here 1s2, 2s2, 2p1, 18, 11 to 18, and before 11 up to 10. These are the atomic number for the. Now let's an example. Suppose we have to fill 26 electron. So which series we have to use? This. Before this, organ 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6 up to this organ. So how to write the electronic configuration for the let's see 30, 26. Which table we have to use? This table. So write down the n plus l rule. 3 plus 2, 4 plus 0, 4 plus 1. The value is 5, value is 4, and value is 5. Electrons, how many electrons are left here? 26 minus 18. How many electrons? 16 minus 8. 8 electron we have to fill. So how to write? Organ. You can write 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6 organ. So 18 electrons we already filled, and we have only 8 electrons. So we want to fill 8 electron, and how to fill? By using the n plus l rule. N plus l rule is the most important rule. 4 plus 1, 5. 4 plus 0 is 4, and 3 plus 2 equal to 5. So where electron goes? Which have low values. So we have to write 4s2. Maximum capacity is 2. Now 4 electrons are left. So where electron goes? 4 plus 1 and 3 plus 2. Their second n plus l rule. According to this rule, when n plus l is same, so electron goes where n value is lower. So here in 3D structure, 3 have lower value than 4. So 3D, 6 and 26. What is the name of the 26? Anybody tell me? What is the name of atomic number of 26? Yes. Its name is iron. What is the configuration of iron? What is the electronic configuration of iron? This is very difficult topic. You have to solve different example, then it's become clear. Fe. So what is the configuration? Organ 8s6 and 4s2. If I ask what is the configuration of Fe2 plus? Now let's see. When iron is present, positive means donate electron and negative means it accept the electron. Now what is the configuration of Fe2 plus? So you have to write first neutral atom. Don't 26 minus 2 24, it become chromium. So always you have to write first of all neutral atom electronic configuration. So 3d6 4s2, 4s2 means organ. When it liberate 2 electron donate, so it becomes 3d6 4s0. There is no electron, you can skip 4s. So what is the configuration? Fe2 plus organ 3d6. Now it's clear for all of you. I give some examples, you have to solve and write down its configuration. Copper Fe2 plus, zinc Zn2 plus, Fe3 plus, chromium and copper, and Mn. 3D series, transition element series is very important. So these examples you have to explain by the electronic configuration. So D5, D10 and F14 is very stable state. So it is very important. Now it's clear all of you. Thank you and have a nice day.